Hello friends, before going to my video, please subscribe my channel. Also click on the bell icon to get instant notifications. So first to install Arduino, so just go to Arduino website and go to software downloads. So there you will find, just scroll down, so you will find Arduino IDE. So just go for Windows installer. So just download it. So it's just click on just download. Now your setup file will be downloaded. Yes, so then just double click on it. So we will ask for license agreement. Just click OK, then click by default check all and click next, then install. So the Arduino's IDE is starting to install, so just wait for some time. So regarding Arduino, so this setup is you can download in two ways. Suppose if you are using Windows 8, you can install using Windows app. So suppose if you are using Windows 7, so then you can just download the setup file and start installing it. So I personally recommend this installer because sometimes through app it will take a long time to install. So better if you using Windows 7 or Windows 10, so better use a web installer, that is more fast than the app. So finally it got installed. So just click on the close and go to start and type Arduino. So there you go, so it is properly installed. Now I'm going to open Arduino IDE, so where you will be writing your code. So by default this is the screen. So I will explain the concept. So this tool is called IDE tool, so where you will be writing your code, and also there will be two buttons. So one is for checking the code and another one is for this one. So currently I have connected Arduino Uno board, so make sure it is detected in your system. Okay, fine. So I'm just connecting my Arduino board to the system. Yes, I have connected and also it is got detected. So next we will see one example. See, now I have connected my Arduino system, and also you can see the on LED is blinking. So that means it is connected properly. So now I'm going to blink example. You can locate this example under the examples of Arduino. So here this is the example. I will explain step by step. So the first function is like void setup. So in this what we are doing, like, so pin mode is kind of a function. So it takes two argument, one is LED built-in, another one is output. We are making this digital built-in LED as output, so that is the command it represents. So next we are going to uh, see a scenario, for example void loop. So we are putting certain piece of code in particular loop. Then there is a command, there is a function called digital write, so which also takes two argument. So one is LED built-in high and another one is LED built-in low. So this LED built-in we already configured in it. So this and also we inserted a delay of 1 second. So now we'll try to check our code whether it has some errors or not. So then after that we will upload to the our Arduino. So now I'm just compiling to check whether is there error or not. Okay, now there is no error. so then we can start to upload. So once you press upload button, you can see down uploading done. So now the LED, inbuilt LED which we have defined, so now you can see for every 1 seconds it is toggle between on and off. So that is very easy to set up. So that is all about today's video. So and waiting to see you next video. Bye.